Hello traders, my name is Giuliano and I'm here to talk about the coronavirus and how the coronavirus affected the stock market. If you noticed in the news last week, the entire week was covered about the coronavirus and how the coronavirus is affecting the stock market. Now, the stock market dropped last week. That was the biggest drop since 2008. Now, was it the coronavirus that caused that huge drop? The market lost 30 to 40% in a matter of days. So could the coronavirus, which is very unknown at this moment, cause this big drop? Well, I'm here to tell you that the answer is yes, and the answer is no. The fact is that the market will move in the direction it wants no matter what. What we see in the stock market is basically people's reaction to news. And what we saw last week was a little bit of panic. And the professionals, the institutions, the big banks and the hedge funds, they take advantage of these moments to take some money and put it to their pocket. They're going to take some profit, they're going to cash it in, they're going to close positions. And for those who actually know how to short the market, last week was a great opportunity to make money on the way down, shorting the market. What we're going to do today is we're going to look at the charts and really identify how the coronavirus correlates to the market and to some instruments. So stay tuned. Affected by the coronavirus. If we look at on the screen here, I'm using TradingView. You can use bar chart or any other platform that you like. The chart over here is the S&P 500, the S&P 500 E-mini futures. And if we look the last couple weeks, this is the big crash that I'm talking about. And from an investment perspective, from a trader perspective, all we want to know is how do we make money? And this last couple weeks was a great opportunity to make money. So, does the coronavirus actually affect what has been done? From an investment perspective, I don't care. I'm looking at the chart and I want to see price and where price may go so that I can make money. So this is plain chart. I like to use some indicators to help me with the direction of the market and where I can enter and where I can exit. So one of my favorite instruments here or indicators is the stochastics. I use this settings, but you may have your favorite settings. You're welcome to copy my settings. So let's add the MACD as well. Take out the stochastic and just look at the MACD here. The MACD gives us, a nice picture of what's happening. So let's take a look at some different settings. I also like different settings here on the MACD. So this will give us some possible entries here and exits. So here you see that we can clearly see that the market was on an uptrend. And then it dropped, right? Now, does the coronavirus has anything to do with this? From my investment perspective, I don't care. I want to see where I can enter, where I can exit. So let's draw some lines here and see what's happening. So I like to see when the markets return. So take a look at it. This was going up while the indicator, in this case the MACD, was not. So take a look at this. We can see clearly that we have a divergence here. So the price is going to the upside and the indicator is going to the downside. So this is a great opportunity to enter the market. So I like when the cross, so the cross happens somewhere around here. and I like to exit on the RSI indicator. So let's put in the RSI. So I use the RSI and I use the value of 7. So the key here is we enter somewhere around here when the cross of the MACD, and once the RSI goes below 30, that's where my exit is. So I could have just exit right here for a nice profit. Now you may be saying, have we seen this pattern before? Yeah, this pattern is very common. It's the divergence. The price is going one direction, the indicator is going the other direction. See, the RSI also is a good indicator for divergence. So if you see here, at this time here, the market is making one low and the RSI is making another low. The RSI is also making a low, and the next low of the price is actually higher than the MACD. So clearly we have a perfect entry here. Now let's look at Tesla. Tesla is a good example. Did Tesla actually had anything to do with the coronavirus? Let's look at what happened here. Look at this. There's a clear divergence happen here on the Tesla. And then we may be asking, how is the coronavirus affecting here? Look at it. The RSI is diverging or is going down while the price here is actually going up or flat. This is actually a common double top pattern. Even the MACD in this case is making another pattern. The MACD is also showing a divergence, meaning the price is going one direction and the indicator is going in another direction. So that is a great opportunity to enter the market. So these are the kind of opportunities we look for in terms of enter the market, make some money, and exit. So this is a short position. We saw the S&P 500 is a short position. So all we care here as investors is when can I enter, when can I exit, how do I make money? Thank you for listening, and in the next tutorials we'll look at other opportunities for making money in the stock market.